Yeah, it's so cute.
Cool. Light green skin, it's beautiful.
Come out. It must have been pretty hot in the last few days, eh? Out here in the sun.
Yeah, he's decided to get a drink with all this rain.
Yeah, the rain's come out and he's just frothing.
Hello guys, I'm parked in a beautiful area and these few times I've been here. It's called Rifle Creek Rest Area and you can camp here for 48 hours for free, and it's by donation, so usually it's about $2 a day. And even though a lot of people come here, I find it also a really peaceful place. So I'm parked here and I'm cooking a lentil soup. And I'm going to cook some rice as well. Just very peaceful. Something I suppose I want to convey again is I'm trying to lead this life. Not trying, actually, I'm leading this life. A kind of orthodox lifestyle that most people don't live in the world. Living with few possessions and living a simple van life. Of course, I have my home in Melbourne and my wife is there. She joins me from time to time. But I meditate and I live this life where I don't fall into a system or fall minimally to a system. Whenever you have a job where you work set hours, you need to take leave. But now I'm working in a chili farm and I earn my living. And I also volunteer in meditation centers whenever I want, and I do my own meditation and meet amazing people. And most of all, I don't have the stress that I had, which is priceless. As a doctor working 70 to 80 hours a week for more than 20 years, I had so much of stress. I didn't have a life. I had 2 heart attacks. One heart attack in 2014 and a second heart attack in 2015. Both were induced absolutely by work. First heart attack I had while I was seeing a patient and after seeing a patient. Second heart attack I had while I was getting ready to leave to work. And of course, as doctors, if any doctors are watching this video, we have enormous amount of stress, and I try to do everything properly and took my time with patients and I gave 100%. But now I think I'm leading my life the way I want. Hiking, camping, bushwalking, meditating, trying to achieve my spiritual goals and a peaceful life and living in nature. And that freedom is priceless. Most of us know this is what our parents did, this is what our grandparents did, and this is what we know usually. You go to school, you get a good education, you get a good job, and you do that job uh, till you retire. You buy a house with a mortgage and you pay the mortgage for 30 or plus years. I don't see that as a life. For me, that is not a life. That is slavery. You're being a slave at a level that you don't even know. You're conditioned so much that you don't even understand that you are being controlled by a system. You are being controlled by, yeah, I'm not saying this life is for everyone, but for me it definitely is. Otherwise maybe I'm not even alive today. The main thing is I enjoy. The main thing is happiness. The main thing is peace. The main thing is to be a good person, to purify your own mind, to help without expecting anything in return. Living this lifestyle I'm able to lead, and I now also meet lots of young people who have similar thoughts. It's amazing. When I was a young person, I didn't have these thoughts, but now I see more and more young people, and I'm able to guide them with wisdom sometimes, answer their questions. Not that I know anything, but from whatever I know and whatever I have my previous experience, I can kind of maybe become some kind of a guide. And this is so beautiful. So I just want to make this video with this message, as well as I'm going to put some interesting moments that I have added in the video of really having good fun, wholesome fun.
You gotta listen.